Listen up, you lot. Are you tired of feeling sluggish and drained? Do you want to unlock a vibrant, energetic you? Then it's time to ditch the processed junk and embrace the power of Superfood Smoothies. These aren't your average sugary drinks. We're talking about nutrient-packed powerhouses that will transform your health from the inside out. We all know getting those essential vitamins and minerals can be a right pain. Who has time to cook elaborate meals with a million ingredients? That's where Superfood Smoothies come in, blending a rainbow of fruits, veggies, and superfoods into one delicious and convenient drink. In just a few sips, you'll flood your body with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, giving you the energy to conquer your day. Get ready to feel the difference because we're about to dive into 5 incredible superfood smoothie recipes that will supercharge your life. So grab your blender and let's get started on this delicious journey to a healthier you. Alright, you Muppets, let's kick things off with a green detox smoothie that'll cleanse your system and leave you feeling brand new. Don't turn your nose up at green. This smoothie is packed with flavor and goodness. First up, we've got a handful of spinach. Don't even try to tell me you can taste it because you can't. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, and it blends right in. Next, we're adding a ripe banana for sweetness and creaminess. A banana a day keeps the doctor away, or at least it keeps you regular. Then, a knob of ginger. This little root is a miracle worker for digestion and inflammation. Now for a boost of antioxidants and healthy fats, we're adding half an avocado. It's like nature's butter, making this smoothie creamy and satisfying. Finally, a squeeze of lemon juice to brighten things up and aid detoxification. Blitz it all up with some water or coconut water, and you've got yourself a breakfast of champions. This green detox smoothie is like a breath of fresh air for your insides. It'll kickstart your metabolism, boost your energy, and leave you feeling lighter and brighter. Get ready for a flavor explosion with this berry blast smoothie packed with antioxidants to fight those nasty free radicals. We're talking a vibrant blend of berries, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, whatever you fancy. These little gems are bursting with antioxidants which help protect your cells from damage and keep you looking and feeling younger. Now for a secret weapon, beetroot. Don't even think about skipping this one. Beetroot is a nutritional superstar, packed with nitrates that improve blood flow and boost stamina. Trust me, you'll be amazed at the energy boost. To balance out the earthiness of the beetroot, we're adding a handful of sweet, juicy grapes. They're a natural source of electrolytes, which are essential for hydration, especially after a workout. A squeeze of lime juice adds a refreshing zing and helps your body absorb all those wonderful nutrients. Blitz it all up with some water or coconut water and you've got yourself a smoothie that's as delicious as it is good for you. This berry blast smoothie is like a party in your mouth, with every sip delivering a powerful dose of antioxidants and nutrients. Chapter 3. Tropical Turmeric Smoothie, your taste of paradise. Let's escape to a tropical paradise with this vibrant and invigorating tropical turmeric smoothie. It's like a vacation for your taste buds with a powerful anti-inflammatory punch. We're starting with a base of frozen mango chunks. Mango is naturally sweet and creamy, adding a delightful tropical flavor. Next, we're adding a banana for extra creaminess and potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Now for the star of the show, turmeric. This golden spice is a potent anti-inflammatory, helping to reduce pain and stiffness throughout your body. Don't worry, we're not going overboard with the turmeric. Just a teaspoon to give you that warm, earthy flavor and a healthy boost. To enhance the absorption of turmeric, we're adding a pinch of black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that increases turmeric's bioavailability. Finally, a splash of coconut milk for that irresistible creamy texture and tropical vibe. Blitz it all up with some water or coconut water and get ready to be transported to a tropical paradise. This tropical turmeric smoothie is like sunshine in a glass, with its vibrant color and refreshing flavor. It's the perfect way to start your day or refuel after a workout. Chapter 4. Protein Power Smoothie. Fuel your muscles the delicious way. Listen up, you lot. This protein power smoothie is for those who want to build muscle and crush their workouts. It's packed with protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs to keep you feeling full and energized for hours. First up, we've got a scoop of your favorite protein powder. Choose a high-quality whey or plant-based protein to give your muscles the building blocks they need to recover and grow stronger. Next, we're adding a handful of spinach. Remember, spinach is a nutritional powerhouse and it's practically tasteless in smoothies. It's like sneaking in extra vitamins without even trying. Then, a quarter cup of rolled oats. Oats are a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy to fuel your workouts and keep you going strong. Now, for a boost of healthy fats and creaminess, we're adding a tablespoon of peanut butter. Peanut butter is a great source of protein and healthy fats, making this smoothie incredibly satisfying and delicious. Finally, a dash of cinnamon for its blood sugar regulating properties and warm, comforting flavor. Blitz it all up with some water or almond milk and get ready to conquer your day. This protein power smoothie is the perfect pre- or post-workout fuel, providing your muscles with the nutrients they need to recover and rebuild. Chapter 5. Antioxidant Acai Smoothie. Sip your way to radiant skin. Get ready to glow from the inside out with this Antioxidant Acai Smoothie. It's packed with antioxidants, fiber, and essential fatty acids to nourish your body and give you radiant, healthy-looking skin. First up, we've got acai berries. These little berries are nutritional powerhouses loaded with antioxidants and fiber. They're known for their anti-aging properties and ability to promote healthy skin. Next, we're adding a handful of mixed berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, whatever you fancy. These berries are bursting with antioxidants and flavor, adding a delightful sweetness to the smoothie. Then, a tablespoon of chia seeds. Chia seeds are a fantastic source of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. They'll keep you feeling full and satisfied, while also promoting healthy digestion and glowing skin. Now, for a boost of healthy fats and creaminess, we're adding half an avocado. Avocado is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are great for your heart and skin. Finally, a squeeze of lime juice for a refreshing zing and to aid in nutrient absorption. Blitz it all up with some water or coconut water and get ready to sip your way to radiant skin. This antioxidant acai smoothie is like a spa day in a glass, nourishing your body from the inside out. It's the perfect way to start your day or enjoy as a healthy and refreshing snack. There you have it, you lot. 5 incredible superfood smoothie recipes that are easy to make, taste delicious, and will supercharge your health. From boosting your energy levels to improving your digestion and giving you radiant skin, these smoothies are the perfect way to nourish your body from the inside out. So, what are you waiting for? Get those blenders ready and start experimenting with these recipes. Don't be afraid to get creative and add your own personal touch. And most importantly, have fun with it. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. Share your smoothie creations with me in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes. Now go forth and conquer your day with the power of superfood smoothies. Cheers to a healthier, happier you.